Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here, and for today's Figure Friday we have 4 Demon Slayer figures to unbox. These are the figures. They're all by Banpresto and they're volumes 1 through 4. I don't remember exactly where I purchased these. I do know that I purchased them all different stores, and I had found 2, 3, and 4 first, and Tanjiro there is the number 1, and I couldn't find him, so I had to purchase him on Amazon. So I know these are on Amazon, and I do know that when they were first released, when I purchased them, they were $24.99 each. I don't know how much they'll be now since they're aftermarket. You could possibly find them for a good deal, about the same or around 30, or they might be marked up. I'm not sure exactly, but if I find them, I will leave a link down below for wherever I found them. Looking at the box here, I can't tell if these are already built or not because I don't see any instructions like the Megumi and Sega figures had. So, yeah, let's just open these up and see what we have here. Okay, so we have all 4 figures in front of us. I think we'll start with the first one, Tanjiro. Let me just push these out of the way. So here he is. Here's a view of the box. Let's open it up. Okay, so he's not built. We do have to build him. He comes in these different little parts. I'm gonna open up each bag and then we will assemble him. Alright, so here are all the pieces. I think we should start with his head. You just push that in. Here we have his sword. I think we can just push it in through here. I'm not exactly sure how this goes. Let's see the photo. Oh, okay, it goes to his back like this. So that kind of barely hangs on there, but if you can see, it like rests right on his shoulder. We have these little... okay, well we have these little things here that you would press into the holes on the stand. There we go. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. My camera died. Well, here he is. I'll give you a better look. I do think he is a very good looking figure for what he is, like the price. It just being a prize figure and all. The base is really boring, but that's usually the case with these prize figures. His face does look nice. I like that. I don't like that this sword keeps falling. It's like not placed there securely. You would just have to put it in his hand and not mess with it. But yeah, I'm happy with him. I think he's very nice looking. Now we'll be opening volume 2, which is Nesco. Her box looks relatively the same. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here she is out of the packaging, just like the Tanjiro figure. We will have to build her. We'll start with the head. Okay, so as you can see, her hair is kind of in the way, so this is going to be not as easy. Just push it through here, I believe. And there we go. She has a base as well. Same plain black base. I'm not a fan of these very plain bases that come with the prize figures. If it was up to me, well, it is up to me, right? This is my figure. Well, I would paint it, honestly. I'm having a tougher time putting this one into the stand than I did with Tanjiro. Oh, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe it goes this way. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, these bases are very plain. And I find that very boring, so I would probably paint them. So here she is, very beautiful. I don't love all of her figures. This is one of the figures I actually did like, which is surprising because it's just a prize figure. But her expression, her face, her movements, everything is just so pretty. So yes, I'm very happy with her. And she doesn't have any small things to lose like Tanjiro's sword, so I'm happy about that. Let's go ahead and open up Volume 3. Volume 3 is my favorite Zenitsu. He is my absolute favorite character. Same box as before. So here he is out of his packaging. Again, we'll start with the head. There we go. Here's the stand. I'm going to go ahead and assume that all of the stands are this plain black stand. Okay, so one hole will be a little bit thicker than the other hole, and that's how you would know which one to put it into. So here goes our Zenitsu boy. Absolutely beautiful. Zenitsu is my favorite character, like I mentioned before. His colors, his yellow reminds me of happiness, and that's why it's a color I really like. And he's just so adorable. He's such a cute crybaby boy who doesn't know his full potential. And I'm very happy to have him in my collection. Okay, so Volume 4, the last one we will be opening today, is Inosuke. Here is his box, same as before, and here he has a variation of Zenitsu in the off green colored uniform. Let's open this up. Okay, so we have Zenitsu out of the bag. He was a little more difficult to get out since he had these two swords, and they're individually packaged and they're really thin. But yeah, let's start with his head. You just snap that right in. Here we have the base, and like I said, there's a thicker one of these little knobs that you're to press in, so just find the thicker one and you should have no trouble. Like I said, he comes with these little swords, which do not look like they will be easy to press in. Okay, so I got his swords in, but I had a lot of trouble. As soon as you touch them, they will fall right off. Watch. Okay, will make me look dumb. Anyways, earlier they would fall right off and I would touch one, but they seem to be on there pretty well. Okay, so I think he looks really good. He seems to have the most detail of them all. Here on his boar head, you can see all of the hair. On his little pelt or whatever he wears around his waist. His pants seem to have a lot of details in them as well, and the folding and everything. I think this is a really beautiful figure, and I'm very happy with him as well. So that's it for today's video. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let us know who your favorite was, or if you plan to purchase any of these yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.